hey, it's me again, in my truck again, doing things again. I am at Nebraska Furniture Mart, picking up dishwasher and hood microwave that I get to install. Ugh. Yeah. The number is... And
the name on the order? The actual name on the order?
What do you mean by actual name?
What's the full name?
Oh,
And you're in a red Ford pickup, sir, or is it maroon?
I like to think burgundy.
Burgundy? Okay, one moment. Okay, sir, I'm going to have you pull forward and park in area C as in Charlie, and they'll load you there. You have a nice day.
Thank you. Okay. That's all you do, apparently, to loading area C. That's all you do to get stuff. I wonder if I could pull up and give some crazy number and get a 52-inch widescreen TV. Those things drive me crazy. Does that make you want to go in there and buy something? There we go, folks. Maytag dishwasher and a GE Space Maker microwave. I guess it's time to begin the install. I have about an hour and a half before we leave to go to the Omaha Royals game tonight, which is a AAA team. Being that the Omaha Royals are based here in Omaha, a farm team of the Kansas City Royals. My son's Little League has their annual night out at the Royals tonight. It's pretty fun. It's going to be a perfect evening for a baseball game. Hope we're sitting in the shade. Okay, there's the old dishwasher. Got everything disconnected. Okay, so far so good. Came out pretty easy. Boy, dishwasher weighs like 30 pounds. There's nothing to it. Here's my dishwasher. Oh, look in the camera. So far not a problem. Yeah, I'm in my white t-shirt. I like working in a white t-shirt. Well, it's the next day. I did get the dishwasher technically installed last night. But, and then we went to the ball game. And that was good. So, it's the next day. I had to tweak the dishwasher. I've never put one in before, but to get it level, plumb, in and out at the right depth, so that there's these little metal tabs they screw up underneath the edge of the countertop. And if you've ever installed a dishwasher, you know what I'm talking about. Well, the tabs, one got tweaked and back like that, so I had to pull it all out and straighten it and then bend it here, so I had maximum tab opportunity. And I got it, about another half hour, just fine adjustments, reaching back underneath, doing the legs, getting the back up, and then the front up, so, you know, to control the height and still keep it level and plumb. Woo! Anyway, let me show you a few shots here. There's the dishwasher. That's out. And on the front porch like good white trash. But that's going to be going soon. And a buddy of mine came over, and we just dropped the microwave. There's the vent that goes up and outside the house. Here's the one mounting bolt, and then the other mounting bolt. Really not that heavy. It's probably, I don't know, it's probably about 50 pounds. It's really not that bad. My wife is inside cleaning before we can put the new microwave in. Gotta clean. I shouldn't make fun, but it's funny. She's looking over our shoulders and it's like, oh, that's so dirty. Alright, we're gonna put that microwave in.
You know what?
If I can't see it, then
Yeah, well, I know it's there. It's like when we were doing the carpet. Where's my little sponge thing? Did you guys see a white sponge?
are you talking like a Mr. Clean?
This guy. Oh, there he is.
The magic eraser?
Yeah.
If you do this across here, then
Oh my gosh. Did you did my nails last night? Sparkly. I feel like a teenager. They're so cute.
done. Yeah, that was a lot of work. Looks good though. Okay. My back hurts real bad. And we have to leave for my son's last baseball game in like 5 minutes. Not to be a long day so far, but got them installed. Alright, I'm out. Later.